Expelled BJP MLA Basangouda Patil Yatnal on June 12th called for the immediate suspension of the proposed Swift City project near Sarjapur and the planned international cricket stadium in Anekal, urging the government to relocate such large-scale developments to North Karnataka for balanced regional development. Taking to X, Yatnal questioned the allocation of nearly 1,000 acres for the Swift City project and demanded that the initiative be shifted away from Bengaluru's outskirts. He also opposed the proposed construction of the Anekal International Cricket Stadium, arguing that there is no need for another major stadium in Bengaluru. He alleged that the Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Board had illegally acquired fertile agricultural land by reclassifying it as dry land. He further noted that the government had not yet submitted the environmental impact assessment report for the project. Yatnal warned that farmers losing fertile land would also lose their traditional livelihood, severely impacting Karnataka's agricultural economy. He added that hosting 5 to 6 matches a year at the existing Chinnaswamy Stadium would be sufficient, making another stadium was unnecessary. The former MLA also called for the immediate halt of the Bidadi Integrated Township project and opposed development activities in the Sarjapur Anekal region, reiterating his demand that major infrastructure projects be moved to North Karnataka. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.